Welcome to Hidden Syntax Code. Today, we'd like to teach you how to use Java code to find for your current date and time. Please kindly take time for us to teach you. And again, in case you miss any of this code, we will put the code in the description. Try and download it and run it on your PC. So before you start, you need to import your Java util date library on the top of your code. So you type import java dot util dot date and you terminate it with your semicolon. So when you finish, come and type your class keyword and its identifier. So you type class and identifier. You are going to name it date time and you bring your open curly bracket. So inside the curly bracket, you come and type public static void main and you bring your bracket open. So inside your bracket open, you will type string args and you will bring your open square bracket and you close your bracket. So inside your open curly bracket, you come and type a class called date. So our class date, we are going to make the variable name to be time date. So you assign it to new date open bracket and close and you terminate it with your semicolon. So we want to display our time and date using our Java code. So you will type system dot out dot print line and you bring your open bracket. So inside your bracket, you come and type your date variable name. So our date variable name, it was time date and you close your bracket and you terminate it with your semicolon. So when you finish, you close your class date time curly bracket and you come and close your public static open curly bracket. So when you finish, you press Ctrl plus X and you save our file to be date time dot java and you click on the save button. So when you finish, you go and click on the search button and you go to your search box and type cmd. You see the command prompt open label test and you click on it. So you go to the directory of where you save your notepad files in. So to my directory, I save my notepad files to my documents. So I'll type cd documents. So inside the document, we type javac date time dot java. So when you finish, you come and type java date time and you press enter and you see that your current date and time will show on your PC screen. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for us. Thank you very much.